Adjust the front seat position using the front seat adjustment switches. Use the forward-backward switch to move the seat forward or backward. The cushion height control switch can adjust the cushion height. The cushion tilt control switch can adjust the tilt of the cushion. Use the seat back angle control switch to adjust the seat back angle. Use the leg rest control switch to adjust the leg rest angle. The relaxation comfort switch can adjust the seat to a comfortable position to help occupants relax. The lumbar support control switch can adjust the lumbar support position. Use the seat bolster switch to adjust the bolster height.
Kia, movement that inspires.